Hi everybody, welcome back. I am trying to more modify this thing over here with this uh, coffee table that I found on the side of the road. One cool thing about Delivery Driver is whenever somebody's throwing something away, you can find some really cool stuff. I actually found a whole dishwash machine, and it came out great because mine kicked a bucket and I was able to replace it, so that worked out great. But so today we have here is this, I'm trying to utilize this tabletop here to integrate with this project. So I need to make a surface that is about this high so I can cut the cardboard. And I'm trying to keep it all within the same footprint, so everything is pretty much staying within this little boundary here when it's done. It might have things that fold out, when in use and fold down away or something like that. Not sure, but we're gonna take this thing apart. And we're going to utilize these legs as part of the standoffs to go here for this part here. And the top surface is all kind of beat. So we'll just flip it over and use the better side. That's what we got there. Actually, this side doesn't have any holes in it, but I don't know. Let's see. I was looking for my tape measure, and then I always got tape measure on me all the time. Because of course I do. Like about 20 inches. Sticks out a little bit. $21. It's so close. We're not gonna trim off just a little bit. We'll just call this good. So now the depth. So that's definitely going to have to be cut down for sure. That's not gonna fly. Yeah, right here I'm just cutting down this little piece that was sticking up. So I was preventing the tabletop to be completely flush. I had an extra treadmill motor I could have used and rewired it, but I just felt like cutting it. It was definitely the faster way of doing it. So yeah. Right here I'm trying to figure out how to attach the table I just cut to the bandsaw, and I was thinking about going horizontal to this direction, but this direction I'm just going to go head on and just make a cutout for the blade, and then push it back, and then make a cutout for the back part of the bandsaw. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just got done cutting the relief so that I can just slide it forward into place, and it clears the blade and it clears the back arm piece. So kind of checking it out, see how that looks right now. Here's a quick, mock-up of how it might look when it's done. Something like this, nice big tabletop surface to work on, so that's good. There's a peek of the motor and the mechanism to move the cardboard along. Now I'm just taking the rest of the part of the coffee table apart and the legs so I can use them for the standoffs. I'm just kind of mocking it in place, see how it will look. And right now I'm attaching the standoffs. There's a secondary piece of wood that's going to be part of the anchoring system. So one's the vertical, and then I'm going to attach the horizontal part down to the tabletop. And once that's securely mounted, then I can screw in the bottom part of the standoff into the horizontal part. That's going to be kind of like how that's going to be done. And got all the standoffs done, so that part's good. So yeah. Well, that's what I got for you right now. I got the table elevated like I wanted to have a much bigger surface to work on to cut these cardboard sheets down to little strips. And I'm gonna pause it right there because I gotta come up with a way of making this adjustable. And then there's gonna be a motor on here, on this side here, that's gonna be attached to this side of the mechanism that pulls it through, whatever you want to call that piece there. So I think it turned out pretty good. Not bad for nothing 99, so I'll take it. So yep, until next time, I'm going.